Okay, so one of the major benefits of pre-approving is just how customizable the branding is and the mobile app is to suit not only your company's colors and your logos, but also the tools that you're making available to your customers, to your borrowers, and to your realtors. So, what I'm going to do today is show you how to do some of the basic customizations. I'll try to make this brief, but there's a lot here. So, feel free to watch the video more than once. I'll try to provide some supplemental videos as well. The first thing you want to do if you're customizing your mobile app and the branding throughout the platform is go to your settings. So you see right here, there's a little gear icon. If it's closed, just click on your picture and then click settings. If you're editing for your company, so for everyone at your branch, select the company. If you're a loan officer and you're just editing for yourself, creating customized app for yourself, then you won't have the option. It'll just drop right into your settings. I'm going to edit for the company. As you can see, this is a fake company, Mountain Bike Mortgage. I'm going to completely rebrand it again. This is the same process you will take. In the app configuration here, click Open Configuration. So app configuration, open configuration. And you'll see a couple of different things here. You've got your app settings, which includes a theme, a page creator, and a calculator options. And you've got your loans, leads, realtor, processor, loan officer, dashboards. A dashboard is what you're seeing here. So these widgets that exist on the mobile app, and based on the person viewing them, right? So any lead, for example, somebody you share the mobile app with, that you haven't qualified yet, maybe it's somebody you met at an open house or your kid's soccer game, that is a lead. This is what leads are going to see. And all of this is customizable. But let's start with the basics here, the branding. So here is where we edit our theme for the mobile app. Now, we also need to edit the colors, the generalized colors for the system. Okay, so we'll do that in a second. But for the time being, let's upload our logo. So I'm going to click on Upload Logo. I'm going to click on, see here, downloads, and all right, let's build Magic Mortgage. Here is my logo, Magic Mortgage. Now, boom, Magic Mortgage. Now, the one thing you need to remember is if you don't have a transparent background for your logo, we highly recommend that you get one. And the easiest way to do that is go to a website called removebg.com, removebackground.com. Upload your logo here. It's going to pull the background out, save that file to your computer, and then you can use that when you're updating the mobile app right here, okay? Same thing with the app icon. If at all possible, you want to be a transparent background. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my icon. Here it is. Okay, this is what is going to show when your clients pin the app to their phone. All right. Now, these colors, I'm going to click Save. Click OK. One other thing, you may want to change your login background. So I'm going to do that here as well. Here's my Magic Mortgage background. I've created some customizations now with my logo, with my app icon, and with my background. I'm going to go back to my settings here because I need to change my company config. My company config. Same thing here. Application logo. This is the same logo. Now, the one we were on before is the mobile app. This, as you can see up here, this is the web app. So your emails, the website, etc. This is where you're configuring those options. I'm going to click Upload. I'm going to grab my Magic Mortgage logo. Okay. Now, this does get cached, so you sometimes will have to just wait, 10 minutes and refresh for it to update. I also need to pick my Magic Mortgage color. Let's go with this hot pink color. No idea. This is what I'm using. And then I'm going to update my favicon. I'm just going to do the same thing as the my app icon. Okay. And then I'm going to update my portal background. Same deal. So it's like using the background for your login page. You want to use an image that represents your company so that your clients, when they're in your landing page, they see the appropriate background. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and save this one more time, and I'm going to clear my cache so I can force the application logo changes to take place. Click on More Tools. So this is in Chrome. Clear browsing data, and I'm just going to clear my cached images. Now, if this doesn't work, it just needs, again, a little bit of time. You need give it 10, 15 minutes for the server to update. But here it is, Magic Mortgage. Oh, my color didn't save. I'm going to add my super cool pink color. Okay. I'm going to change this to Magic Mortgage, and my app name is going to be Magic Mortgage. The difference between these is this is the display name in all my emails. The app name is what it says underneath the mobile app when they download it. Okay, that's the difference. Save that. And let's go back to my app configuration and then open that configuration up. Here's my super cool colors now. You see now throughout the platform, this pink is going to be prominent because it's the color I selected as my default color. Now you can also select from a series of our default themes. So right now we're using a light theme, which is essentially just white and gray with your company color. You could use a dark theme. Oh, look at this. This is not a transparent background. So if I use a dark theme, it's not going to work. If I use a hybrid theme, same deal. It's not going to work because this is not a transparent background. So let's do this. I'm going to show you how to do the remove background thing. It's that easy. So slick. So I can go back to here and I can update my logo. Here's my new one with a transparent background. There it is. Transparent. Sweet. Always save your changes, guys. Okay. So now I'm going to move this back to the light because the black and the black logo doesn't look good. I'm also going to change my app name here to Magic Mortgage. Anywhere you see there's a name, just change it. Get it updated. There is a reason for that field. Make sure it meets your needs. Now, the theme, I can use light, or if I really wanted to, I could edit this. So when you're editing it, just literally follow the instructions here. You can go through and change the icon color, the text color, background color. I mean, it's extremely customizable. So I'm going to make the ugliest possible app here. Icon color. Yeah. Text color. Let's go green. Yes. Wait. Green. And then background color. Whoa. Blue. So as you can see, it's extremely customizable. Hopefully you have better taste than I do. I'm going to click save. And that is now a new theme that I created for my mobile app. Okay, now how do we customize the app itself? Okay, so what tools are making available to our customers? Inside my loans and leads view, these are the default views for borrowers. Again, leads represent the anybody you are sharing your mobile app with, like this. Okay, sending them a share from your phone, that's going to be a lead. Loan is somebody who's probably already applied and been qualified. So what tools do you need each person to have access to? God, this is almost hard to look at. Here's a good example. I added to my default configuration a place to schedule a phone call. So what does that mean? I added a link to my Calendly. So how do we add another link? Let's say, for example, you have a YouTube channel and you want to direct somebody to it. Click Create New Widget. Tell the system what you want that tool to do. So in this case, I'm going to open an external link. I'm going to type YouTube. What I want it to look like. So do I want it to look like a little hamburger, a hot dog, or I guess a hot dog or a churro. Okay, I'm going to make it look like a churro. I'm going to say home buyer videos. Click save. Now I've got a home buyer videos tab. To move it around, you literally just drag and drop. So you can organize this however you want. Boom. Priority at the top, guys, okay? As all marketers would suggest, make sure the important things are above the fold. So you don't want your clients to have to scroll down here to get to the material or content that's going to help you convert them from a lead to a loan. All right, you want it to be above the fold. So this is my home buyer videos, potentially a great conversion tool because educational content is really important for people when they're just exploring their options. Okay. Same thing can be true. You guys can customize the realtor dashboard. So what does that mean? The realtor dashboard is what your real estate agents see when they log in by default. Now, this is the default configuration. I suggest you change the name of phone book to, actually, phone book's a good name. This is going to access, as you see, if you don't know what these tools do, click on this icon. It's going to tell you open global contacts. So anyone they're connected to, that's going to open. Home buyers tab is any connected loans, open loans list. So any loan they're connected to, they're actually going to be able to get dropped directly in there. And that is how you create a custom tool. Now, what other tools might a realtor want when they log in to your mobile app? Well, if you have a public rates feed, that's a great option. If you have some truncated or generic simple guidelines, that's always a great tool. We have our default configuration for calculators here. So this is going to be our generic calculators like purchase, refinance opportunity, and affordability calculators. Those are defaulted in this view. Now, if they click the home buyers tab, they'll land on a list of home buyers. They can then select the home buyer's name and get dropped directly into the home buyer's version of the app. Okay, so whether it's a lead or a loan, they're going to be able to see exactly what that home buyer does in the same way the buyer can. And you as a loan officer have the ability to do the same, right? So you can go in here and access your loans list, jump in, run numbers, issue pre-approval letters, see what conditions are outstanding, etc. So that is how we create a really ugly app in the system. Now, most apps, they don't have to be this ugly, okay? You can create nice looking apps if you just follow your brand guide, right? My favorite that I've done is Dab Mortgage. Dab Mortgage is awesome. And so and one of our sales guys, Austin, he does all of his demos on Star Wars Mortgage. That one actually is really cool. So, but as you can see, it's not difficult to make the app look very slick, very professional. If you guys have any questions about how to make this happen, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. And the best way to do that is down here in the support chat button on the bottom right. Hope this helps, and we're excited to have you. Take care.